Hail from DoneRight Management, and we're going to do a quick video tutorial on Raven's Nest. So this little vacation rental has smart TV Roku enabled. So you have your Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and any other channels, YouTube, that you might want to be able to access. And so it is coupled with a Cable 1 box, and so as long as you've got your little green light on, it'll be active. Here's the remote control for it. And so while you're here, it's going to be set to HDMI 2. Then you can see that it'll show up. You actually have that go through, and it's a fairly simple, straightforward solution. You have your arrow keys up and down, transition between the channels of what you want to watch. And if you want to go back and watch Netflix or anything, you can go ahead and just push Netflix. Now you might need to enter your own account information in. More often than not, you're not going to have Netflix enabled. And so whether it's Netflix, Amazon, if you want to go back to the home, you're going to press the home button on the remote. Volume controls on these smart TV Roku control panels are on the actual side of the remote. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number is 208-634-0030, and hope you're having a great time while you're here in McCall, staying at the Raven's Nest. Cheers.